Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Nova 2 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to disconnect it from smartphone. To disconnect your controller from smartphone, firstly scroll down from the top of the screen and go to Bluetooth settings. Find your controller and select Forget this device. And again on wireless controller select disconnect. Now on the controller itself you can press and hold those two buttons to reset controller Bluetooth connections. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.